Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over Leetcode, intersection of two linked lists problem. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they are conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Write a program to find the node at which the intersection of two singly linked lists begin. For example, the following two linked lists begin to intersect at node C. There's the intersection point. Two linked lists intersect here. Another one here. The intersection point is 8, and from the head of A, it reads as 4, 1, 8, 4, 5. From the head of B, it reads as 5, 6, 1, 8, 4, 5. And there are 2 nodes before the intersected node A, in A, and there are 3 nodes before the intersected node in B. 3 nodes here, 2 nodes here. And there's another example. There are 3 nodes here and 1 node here, and it reads from the head of A as 1, 9, 1, 2, 4, and head of B 3, 2, 4. And these two do not intersect here, so we return null for this one. So how are we going to solve this question? To solve this, we need to create 2 pointers. This is another 2-pointer approach, and we will iterate through using a while loop. And these pointers, A and B, will walk step by step. For example, A will walk 1 step, B will walk 1 step. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1. When the A completes, A goes all the way back to the other linked lists and starts traversing that. And B continues, and in the next step, A continues here. This time B goes, this time B goes to the other linked list. And A continues, B continues, and A and B meets here. When they meet, this means this is the intersection point. If you think about it, it makes sense. So A will go all the way to all the nodes and finishes, and B goes all the way all the nodes and finishes. So A will go 2, 5, 8 nodes, B will go 3, 6, 8 nodes, and they have to meet in the same end. So this is the idea. So basically we are checking the length of the nodes and we are finding the meeting point. So I'll remind again, we start from here, then go to the next linked list and finish here, and the other one starts from here, goes to the next linked list and finish here. This is where the meeting point is. If they have finished the same amount of nodes, then they should meet here. This is the logic. So let's see this in the code. So first thing we check is if heads are null or not, if we have heads here. Otherwise we return null. Then we create 2 pointers, A and B. A is set to head A, B is set to head B. This is the beginning. Then we start iterating. If A is not equal to B, while this means they're not equal, they're not in the same node. If A is null, then A is head B. Sorry, if A is null, A is head B. This is where we're changing. If we hit the end, then we go back to head B. This is what we do. Otherwise, A continues to iterate. A is equal to A dot next, going to the next point, next node. If B is null, then B is head A. So B, if B hits the end, that goes to the beginning of the linked list A. Otherwise, if it's not the end, B continues to the next node. And finally, when this loop breaks, if A and B is equal, then it breaks, and we finally return A, and that will give us the, in this case, node C. I hope this makes sense to you. Like, we continue until we find null. When we find null, we set it to the head of the other linked list, which is A sets to head B, B sets to head A, and B continues as B dot B next, A continues as B A dot A next. Let's submit and see. Okay, this one works now, and this is pretty much it for this question. If you think this video tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up, so please subscribe to my channel. We'll meet again soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.